Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install the BioPython library on Windows. BioPython is basically a freely available Python tool for computational molecular biology. So let's see how we can install it. So to install any Python library, we need pip. So we will be installing both Python and pip before installing BioPython. So let's begin with the first step of downloading and installing Python and pip. Let's start. At first, go to the web browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any web browser. Here and type Python on Google. Python, press enter. So here is the official website python.org. Click on it. We have reached the official website. Whenever you will keep the mouse cursor on the downloads button, it will show you the current version. Here it is. Python 3.11.0 is visible for Windows. This is what we want. I'll click on it to download. Download started, only 24 MB. Let's wait for a few seconds. So we have successfully downloaded the exe. Double click on it to install. Minimize. Now the installation started. Okay, keep the default, but also select the following: add python exe, python.exe to path. Now we will click on customize installation. Herein the optional features are visible. Keep it as it is. It will also install pip. Pip is used to install and manage Python packages. So this is a must for future. Ideally, it will also install IDE. This is wherein we will run our first Python program. This is a free IDE by Python. Click on next. Advanced option, select the first one. Install Python 3.11 for all users. Rest keep as it is. It will create installation location for Python. Okay. You can also change the location by clicking browse, but keep it default. It is fine. Click on install. Now the installation started. Let's wait for a few seconds. The setup is successful. Click on close. So guys, we successfully installed Python and pip. Let's verify. Go to start, type cmd. Click on open to open the command prompt. So guys, we have successfully started the command prompt. Herein type python space hyphen version and press enter to verify the Python installation. Here it is. We installed Python 3.11.0 successfully. Now do the same for pip space hyphen version and press enter. Here it is, pip 22.03 installed successfully. Now I hope you remember, I told you that to install any Python library we need pip. So I'll be using pip to install the BioPython library. Type the command pip space install space BioPython, that's it, and press enter. It will also install NumPy if you're not having it. So guys, we have successfully installed the BioPython library. Thank you for watching the video.